Good morning, YouTubers. Fast Eddie here again with a different episode, a different problem with one of my pickup trucks. For those of you guys that have been following my channel, I do have a 99 Chevy S10 2.2 liter, which is the one that I'm going to be working on. The problem that I'm having is that it's got a very rough idle. So I scanned the vehicle and came up with two different codes. One of them being PO301, which is a misfire on cylinder 1, and also with PO141, which is the downstream oxygen sensor. So we're going to go ahead and try to fix those problems and see what happens. Keep watching.
Well, it's not always fun. It's not easy. And got my special tool. There it is. Well, here's the new oxygen sensor going in. Well, I got my throttle body out of the way, and it's actually pretty easy. I didn't go through all the steps because there is a lot of videos on how to do it. But you know, you disconnect all the air hoses out of here and all the electrical connections. Just make sure that you know where they go. If you don't, just take a video or take some pictures, and that will help you remember where everything goes. But the idea here is, well, at least I think I created enough space in there to see if I can get the fuel rail out of there with the injectors without having to remove the rest of the stuff out of here, which would eliminate a lot of headaches. So right here I have my return line that I already got the nut out, and my fuel pressure regulator, which I'm gonna be replacing too. I think that could be one of the causes of the low pressure. Just in case somebody asks, yes, I did check all my vacuum lines and vacuum hoses, and I mean everything is 100%. And let me just throw one last thing here. When working with fuel systems, safety is number one. I know everybody knows that. Disconnect your battery, depressurize your fuel lines, because if you don't, you're gonna make a mess, and it's usually not good. It's not good. Not to mention that you may cause a fire. And don't smoke when you're doing this, please. Also, wear gloves, safety glasses. Okay, YouTubers, waiting for my parts to come in, so stick around. Part 2 comes next.